preemptive strikes because they save lives. This Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you an average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top, and to date the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Can you hear me now? One stop, can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me now? Blessed. Thanks, man. Thanks. And share the live. Yeah, share the live with, because today's life is not your, it's not one of your regular life that you're used to. Because this life is totally different. And the reason why this life is different is just because of some things that has been happening in Jamaica, and we can see that these people have little or no respect for the rule of law, and them no respect decent and ethical Jamaican people. And we know that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. So you're looking at right now, we just give a introduction where we're going. Yeah, so we know so some people feelings are got hurt, but hey, look here, we care zero about that. Yes. So what's the sense of having a national award when a national award is for people who uplift a country and help to contribute to the success of a country? What's the sense of that then when you have people who are hell bent on destroying the lives of others, as we have seen throughout the years? So right now you're looking at a man now, yes, yeah. And we say this without some people I say, boy, we know saying like Moses Davis being a man. And we have all reason not to like him. As we say over here now, we are all about saving lives. And that is our main job. And we're not, hey, look here, as we say, we're not here to make friends with anyone. Period. So we don't say, oh, the man get a national award for a man who's a known rear admiral. Who is the mastermind in the killing of my cousin, Gerald Bogle Lever? And this is Jamaica in 2024. So last week them let out Vibes Cartel for kill Clive Lizard Williams. It's on video where the man video himself a commit the crime, the murder. And them let him out. And the main thing is because the man a rear admiral. Then now you have this man up at the top. Moses Davis being the man. What is his contribution to the for building the Jamaica, for uplifting the Jamaican population? Nothing. This man hasn't done anything to uplift Jamaica. The reason why being a man losing visa is because being a man is involved in drugs. And most people when I talk about alleged money laundering. Being a man I go back to Jamaica with money and them all him girlfriend with money and all kind of them couldn't account for it, so him losing visa. So what kind of upliftment being a man uplift Jamaica, the Jamaican populace? Remember, this is the same man, being a man, who allegedly behind the killing of Gerald Lever Bogle. And now you tell me say this government now I give this man a national award for what? What is his claim to fame? And I can give you some chilling and damning information about this man because I was at Unsby for years. This is a man who owed me $400 and at the time it was over 200 US. And him not pay me back. Him not pay me back. People ask me if to talk about it. I mean if to talk about it. Me and Beanie Man and a friend. Me and Beanie Man was never a friend. And because me know say my artist and him borrow my money and me lend him. Me and Beanie Man can't say me and him a friend. There's some artists and them thing there where them can't say me and him a friend. Me not talk with them. Me not go around them. Them can't come around me. People involved in a killing other people. Me not deal with them. Me can't tell you the artists them when me talk with. When me that's a boy I have a relationship with when I was there as a police officer. And he was not one of them. Me and the kind of police who run behind people and look friend. Period. Because a guy had this or that. Ask Baby Sham innocent and just out in my police area and him can't say him know me. Cause the reason why, because I know say Baby Sham involved in killing other people. I understand. Him not have pulled the trigger, but he's the one who's behind it. Me not mix up with people who kill people. Period. So now we see them give this man a national award at Jamaica now. This big rear admiral. Last week them released a rear admiral and a murderer. So now this week, them give a rear admiral a national award for kill Bogle. And you tell me say Jamaica is a criminal paradise. Then you tell me say boy, me am a patriot, me hate Jamaica. How me hate Jamaica when me always defend Jamaica? You know sometimes when them kill Bogle, the night before them kill the boy when named Stranger. After when Bogle did, you know, so I should not even want to ask certain things, you know. If I was a corrupt police officer, you know, this boy being a man would have gone long, would have gone. When some of them big police trying to beg and all of them things there. You understand? Because him never did know the relationship with me and Bogle. Because there's many way of how you can hang a dog. Only stupid people, you know, when time them do certain things, or them once you are trained to do certain things, you know how to do certain things and leave all things behind. You don't leave no trace. And this boy killed Bogle. This boy killed Bogle. And out there now, and the government a give him a award. So what kind of message that I send to the youth them? When I am from the belly of the beast, I tell the youth them, say boy, leave violence, criminality. And last week on a reward, we don't expect nothing better from the PMP, you know. Cause I tell people that already, you know, cause I'm born and growing up PMP not a shame, you know. The only thing the PMP good for is to produce criminals. If it was them I do it, I won't even upset because I know that is what they're all about. To put criminal upon a pedestal and make them larger than life, make youths in the ghetto idolize, emulate, and want to be like them. I know this. How you think me feel? When I have contributed more to Jamaica than this boy. I contribute more to Jamaica than this boy. This boy, the only thing this boy do is destruction of Jamaican and people's lives. When we are 21, as a police officer, I'm supposed to get national award and promotion for what I have done as a young police officer. Them time I'm in a team of 4-year service. For the way I handle myself. I never say if I was some other police, more people would have dead. And I never do that. And all because of beef from where I come from and because them couldn't control me. Because according to them, me and a PMP police, me a labor right. Because nobody the PMP them, me not fight crime in the politics. Me a fight crime because me not like criminal. And then they tell me, say, boy, I get a national award and promote. Me not get none of that. Because people in a PMP hierarchy, them say, boy, me a junglist, but me a no PMP. Because me not take no talk for nobody. Yeah. I mean, I tell you, say, boy, today I want to saddest day since I am doing this thing. But me always ready for them things, you know. So you look right now on your screen, yeah. Yeah, man. Hey, look here, let's share the live, man. Today is a somber day for us, you know. Yeah, man. So you look right now on your thumbnail, you see the man at the top. Yeah, man, that big guy brother there. The same brother there, below from the knee, go right down to him footed, Fassi, Moses Davis. And below Moses Davis as a Gerald Bogle Levy, you know that he was murdered by Tristan Palmer and the others named Tristan Palmer boy. I had said that when the video reach a certain, because I show the Jamaican go hinting them. Yeah, because this Sunday I go release the entire thing to show you, make you hear how this boy plan to kill Bogle. Because somebody who was there, them not afraid of him. And you're going to hear it for yourself. I'm not thinking about no views and them things. I make you hear for sure you say this boy is Satan. I know them a give him award. So Bogle never kill nobody yet. I see them a give people national award posthumously because them dead and gone. And them a give man award, national award for kill Bogle. A big rear admiral. Christopher Porter, go in a house in a January 1993. That are the same day when one of Jamaica's most wanted men, Christopher Brown, Chris from Payne Avenue, was killed that same morning in a shootout. I recovered three of the fire, me and Bobby and even and others. Right, it started from right in high school here at Selassie school. All the pitting them in high school and watch all the shootout. That same morning, before the boy did, we went to Jamaica Street, our house that Beanie Man and Patrick Robert was staying. And inside the house was stink like shit. Because Beanie Man and Patrick Roberts was inside there doing them rear admiral thing. when Detective Kirk Palmer said that both men were in there, effing, I didn't even know that that's what he meant, that them are do. Him explained it to me, because I don't know nothing about them Rear Admiral thing. So that was from when I had told others that Beanie Man a big Rear Admiral. And Beanie Man can't say a lie, me I tell, because this is something when me see with my own eyes. Him have on a little red shorts. And me can't tell you, from him knee go down it fussy. Beanie Man a big Rear Admiral. Down below Bogle, yeah man, Vibes Cartel, another Rear Admiral. When I had told people that Vibes Cartel, that the killing a lizard, it has nothing to do with no gun. People say, oh, I lie, I tell them things. So we have been validated by by one of the most prominent YouTuber from Jamaica. So why Beanie Man should not receive a national award? Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you as a concerned citizen and as a former detective at the Hunts Bay police station. Kingston 11 was dedicated his life to fighting crime and upholding justice. I am here to express my deep sorrow and profound objection to the proposal of awarding Moses Beanie Man Davis a national award. The man in question is not deserving of such an honor, not only for his lack of positive contribution, but for his dark history of violence and criminality. If you don't give Beanie Man award, give Christopher Dudus Coke an award too. I have done a video about that. I am not going to get emotional or upset about all of these things. I know, I tell people all the time, I don't understand how people become criminal. But I was talking with a man the other day and he expressed to me and tried to justify all kind of thing. When he had told me that people kill him father when he was small and people witness it and nobody not give a statement. And him did witness it as a little boy and he could not give any statement. But now, as him kill the man we kill him father, him say him wait until him reach 18 and him say him kill back the man. We kill him father, because him witness it. And him say same people them that was there when him killed him father, none of them never say. But at them see him one come and give statement against him. And him say that's why him have to kill some of them too. So him say sometimes I system turn good people in a criminal. And that's why him he asked me for the address of Michael Jackson, Dr. Carolyn Gomes. I told him that I am not going to do that. I'm saying I want to visit these people, because these people, why him end up now being a wanted man. For years. Him say good people are protect him. So he must say, he's saying sometimes the system turn good people into bad people. I don't like Dr. Caroline Gomes and I don't like Michael Jackson. I don't like no one from Jamaican for Justice. Because Jamaican for Justice is for the destruction of black people's lives and mine. So today, I stand as a law-abiding citizen and a former detective and a Jamaican patriot, a man who's from the belly of the beast. And I am upset at what I have seen happening right now in Jamaica. So as someone who has known Beanie Man personally, I can attest to his reputation is far from honorable. And when I say that without any apologies. Beanie Man don't have any reputation. Beanie Man is not an honorable person. What the government is doing right now is disrespecting people. Insulting poor ghetto people, telling them, say, look here, being a law-abiding citizen, it's not worth it. Being a criminal, a murderer, yes, we'll give you a national award. That's what they're doing with this man. And people will be like, oh, so you're bad man. We don't say you're bad man, you don't like him. I'm going to tell you, I already say I don't like the man. What I'm going to tell you, say? The man owe me my money from 1994 when he bring a boy named Comic from Montego Bay come to Waterhouse to kill people. And the man borrow my money right in a Unspear, in a yard. I don't know. Me and this man and a friend never have been friends. And the man borrow my money, I know the man pay him back. Every time I see him, I laugh, but me no want the money. Him can't ever see me ever ask, beg him nothing. Because me and the man, they are a friend. Never have and never will. As I say, I don't like people who encourage other people to kill people. That's the kind of person I am. And this is a man who is responsible for the deaths of several people from his community of Waterhouse. This same man. So this man is known for plotting and carrying out heinous acts against fellow Jamaicans. One such instance that stands out in my memory is his involvement in importing an individual from Montego Bay, known by his alias Comic, to carry out killings in Binns Road, Waterhouse, Kingston 11. Comic's sole purpose was to murder residents of Balcom Drive and other areas within Waterhouse. People at Waterhouse tell me, say I lie, me I tell. This orchestrated violence brought untold suffering to many families and communities, painting a grim picture of Beanie Man's true character. The murder of Gerald Bogle, but perhaps the most painful and personal reason for my opposition is the murder of my cousin Gerald Bogle. Gerald and I share a bond beyond family. We were comrades. Yeah, man, we took the police test together. In August 1986, we both went to 79 Duke Street, Kingston. I didn't even know that he was going to do the police test, because this is not something that we had discussed. Everyone in the family knew from when I was growing up, as a little boy, that's all I wanted to be, a detective. Everyone knew that. I want to be like Tom Levine. And I was very, very successful in accomplishing my goal in joining the Jamaica Constabulary Force as a detective, and was able to do some work as like Tom Levine. So in August 1986, we both went to 79 Duke Street, Kingston, took the police entrance test, and passed flying colors. Unfortunately, Gerald Levy, that a Bogle, did not proceed with the interview due to misguided advice from those around him. When his mother Mimi told him, said, Gerald, go on, because see Chris are going, you know. You and Chris pass. Only not in the plan for you to want to go down there, go do, and you meet up Chris. Go on. Them things that you just, them keep a secret in our family. Because I remember say I wish where we come from, you know. You can't make people know, say, from jungle, say, you got giant police force, you know. Because you got to become informer, so they might stop you before, they might kill you before. So nobody on the family know them things. So even time we did it, and, you know, man try to kill Yasi, and we the nearby and almost get shot in a 86 August near to Mr. Buffyard. We have me and Marcus for jump fence from Mr. Buffyard and jump on over father at 51 Penn Street. When a man a try to kill a youth, me and him go to school. That's right, a week after my police test. That's the second time I talk about this. So when I tell a man my hatred for gunmen, all of that solidified. That's why I never carry a brown paper bag gun coat. Never. Me rather 12 man try me than 6 man carry me. When I was a police officer, I still have that feelings that are part of my philosophy. So despite our disagreements over the year, Gerald never betrayed me. And that's why even today, I still feel it. Why I don't act on my emotion? Because I believe in a rule of law. People say I'm naive. You know, work that way there. You have to do street justice. Carl and others. I said, boy, if you dead, me say, no, uh, God will take care of him. Me dead and gone. Then the man know I get an award for kill him, for murder him. The man Tristan Palmer son. Bogle stood by me. Even when corrupt police officers, like the late, I mean, I'm telling you something. I'm telling you about corruption with me and police. When corrupt police officers like the late Superintendent Cornelius Calf Walker and Donovan Ox O'Connor, they saw me for standing up to criminal elements like Willie Agard. Yeah, man. When me stand up to Willie Agard, I make him feel small like a lap him tail like a dog. And I'm vexed because, oh dear me, if you hear this, them man. So these police officers, them collect money. Yes, and Bogle make me know before them even pull off them thing. Before them disarm me, come up with all kind of lies. Ox, yeah man. Can't like them boy, yeah man. I'll do him, you know. Me see if all this a boy, I see him Ox. 3 times I save him. 3 times I save the boy Ox. All carousing. You know, one Saturday, yeah. We go off tangent. One Saturday morning, one Monday morning, we in a conference at Huntsby. And him never like me still doing it. Them just jealous of me and them thing. I don't know for what. Because according to them claim say them are bad police, but yet still I know them are bad police. For them, you know, according to street people, them for them badness never amount up to mine. Although them have higher rank than me. The fear factor with me driving a criminal, them never have that. Them have names, so them are one of the and them are this, them are ox and them are this and that. But for them name, never have the effect as Porter and Bobby Reds. So because of that, them hate me. Because them know say, you know, once we know say a guy had certain things and we read the riot act to them, they know what time it is. That's why Cool Breeze never run when I got England. Andrew. Because we tell Wole. Because when I go allow you to go kill people and you walk about, I know so it go. Because we know so we're going to catch you one day, you know. We'll catch you. We will catch you. And it's either you or we. So they never like it. So in the morning, on Monday morning, so I show you how police corrupt. I tell after the time right back with Bogle. On Monday morning, our meeting, see him Donovan Ox start burn a piece of fire against me. Say, boy, I'm on a discipline and all kind of things. All because I'm in them corruption and them all kind of shenanigans. See him Monday, them feature him on CVM. Cause you know, say, but when I'm a feature him on CVM, poor thing. Most of the thing they must say about him, it's not him. Or the circle, you know, them the scheme that all of them things. So it good. That's why we tell us, say, we like what commissioner of police are. And then come now the Saturday, him and Grant, our police name, TL for us, Hunt, Grant dead, Dwayne Grant. Them involved in a shooting in Mackay Lane and shoot off one boy nose. And the people them decide for Black Road. And the man I was coming from UR4, man, a detective sergeant. One ox rental. And the people them a block the road out by Spanish Town Road and Oakland Road right back to Mackay Lane. Mobile Reserve Police them stand up there and I watch people them a block the road. And it was yours truly. When I reach on the scene, that's when the people them pull it and people start running and everything. From when I came out of the vehicle. And I cleared. The following Monday morning, the same Donovan Ox O'Connor. Praises yours truly for what I have done. Imagine a week before, I must say, me want to Me I most in discipline police and this and that. And then the following, and him have nothing good to say about me. And then the following Monday, he might praise me and say, boy, if it wasn't for me, he would have get another coverage on TV for a good shooting with him though. While all of the police them stand up there. One man, this man, let the people them clear the blocking of the road. One man. Yours truly. Ask the people them a Maca Alien. Ask the people them in a community. Ask Detective Sergeant Wilkie. We were in the car together. Even all police that knew about it, I said, boy, I should just leave it. Because the same man in a bash me. But if you see a 3 times the man there, along with, because of Willie God, because me a Willie God, bump heads because of police. Because I not tolerate for no guy disrespecting the police. Willie God could never ever say, I even take a ice him in front of him. It doesn't matter how many times him for me things. And that's the thing him couldn't understand with me. So because of that, now him say me a labor right. So them try to disarm me because them want people to kill me because according to them, me this Willie God. And Gerald Bogle called me and tell me what was happening and what was about to happen. But little did these guys knew, they never know that I have a license gun. So when them disarm me, I still have my gun. Then shortly after that, I leave out of the country. And the good thing is about that when I used to travel and them thing, certain documents me not travel upon, so them couldn't tie me back to Jamaica. Whole heap of fight me getting in the police force because of corrupt police. But Bogle never betray me. As much as him and Willie got in a friend, and Willie got no say we are cousin. That never matter to him, him ego. Even at one time when him and Willie got in talk, enough people don't know that. Because of me, why him and Willie not talk. Because Willie got I say me for dead, because me a labor right, because I diss him. And Bogle I tell him, say, no, are you this the police them and Chris, I stand up for you police them. I just you for us easy. Look how when me talk to Chris, everything good, but you I hype up yourself on the police them. And a Chris police them, him not gonna make it this in police them. And I saw the imbex with Bogle. About a year. Enough people don't know that. So why the two of them never talk for a year because of me. I'm telling him the truth. Yeah. And he never betray me. So if I betray him, I can't do that. Can't do that. I will never like being a man until the day I die. So I will tell you now, so the night when them going to kill stranger, Anthony Roberts, a detective sergeant, from them kill Bogle. Enough people don't know this a whole heap of, yes, and them call and say, boy, Porter, this, that, and because apparently them never did know so me and them related. And that's when the whole of them decides if they kill stranger. So them call me and I tell me now, so boy, the boy were killing them and sort him out. But that never fazed me because I know that he was not the only person that was involved. I know the detective inspector who called Finance Minister Omar Davey, him name Poddy. First me I call him name Poddy. Detective Inspector Poddy, the Indian police who come from Flint River, St. Mary. Poddy is the one that called Omar Davey and told him that Beanie Man was involved in a killing of Bogle and they must hide him because they might kill him. That I see him Poddy, the Indian police, they down by MID. The same Poddy we have the bar along Mullines Road, where the man, where a woman's family, them say the man kill him wife, and them say the man, the main suspect, every day him there Poddy bar. I don't know how them do it. So now we see a national award to a murderer. A national award to a murderer. And a big rear admiral being a man. Yeah, man, I'm more, I know say you listen being a man. You know say me not like you. Because the way I was raised. Me can't deny where I come from. Me can't deny who I'm related to. We don't say even Judas betrayed Jesus. And you're going to have people when I like me. Me have family member where not like me, period. Me and them not talk. God through them a liar and them a criminal minded people. Me and them not talk. You have people where we all denounce me. And say me them not know me and me and them are a family. Me not have a problem with that. You can't change that. Me have all evil siblings to all them things there. And me a man, me just say it as it is. Me not believe in that who's right is what is right. So a national award to a murderer for killing an icon. So the idea of awarding Beenie Man a national award not only disrespect the memory of my cousin, but also undermine the values of justice, decency that we as a nation should uphold. So Jamaica go backwards. We thought that we thought that we are trying to reclaim back Jamaica. But we can see last week was Vibes Cartel on video killing lizard. Now, this week, I be in the man I get award for kill Bogle. So what I tell the youth them now? What kind of message I send to the youth them of Jamaica? Where I tell them say, crime pay? When we do a video and I tell the youth them, you have a guy right now in a prison when him Kaira Jones are in a prison a cry and we have say crime no pay. So while we have say crime no pay, the government of Jamaica I give a known murderer award. So that I tell you say crime pay. The entire Jamaica, the people in the diaspora know that Beenie Man's name is aligned to the killing of Gerald Bogle Levy. Him come on TV and ball him and know this and that, labamouth talk and all kind of thing. But we have better than we labamouth because we have from people from the inner circle. And we're telling a long time. So based on this now, we are going to release the video this weekend and we're not going to edit anything. Because the person we're telling afraid of Beenie Man. And this a person or somebody related to Tony Brown out of East Kingston. We are going to make you hear it. This Sunday, we are going to release it. So if you not give Beenie Man an award, give Christopher Dudus Coker award too. What happen? Give Dudus his award. We're going to give this big Rear Admiral award. This is a disrespect, man, to the heights. And we lose half of the Prime Minister. We I tell you. We lose half of Andrew Holness. If I did PMP I do it now, we don't have a problem. Because them not ashamed. We know that. We know saying we tell you that. And what thing what PMP do is create criminals. A PMP community we born and raised, you know. When I say two away, both of us at the time when we do the police test are liberating a power. And we still couldn't people could have know say we do police test and pass. Our family member and them know say nothing tell nobody. Can you believe it? Them know say nothing tell nobody. So even Valentine, we hang out of our corner and them thing with all of the people that we and them used to roll in the community. Them no know. And time we gone on them ear. Kind of like say, we know which part gun did hide and all of them things in the community. We not say we don't know. We know which part people did hide them gun, but we not busy with them because we not touch no gun. And we not involved in a gun thing. A man start move up them gun and them thing. We never busy with them, but because them man ain't a man when I kill people. The man they just have them gun to protect them community, to protect them family and the community. Because them can't get no license gun. And every gun, as we say now, every gunman a gunman, you know. I can't tell, we are telling this from personal experience. So this proposed award suggests that we are willing to honor individual with bloods on their hands. Individual responsible for tearing families apart and instilling fear in our communities. So that I want to do now, you know. This is what I do now. We not expect that. We expect this, you know, from the PMP criminal organization. Never expect this from the Jamaica Labour Party. As a youth born and grown in a PMP community. Because we know at least one thing. Them did have decency. Little decency. We say all the time, you know, one is on a little bit better than the other. But no, this one rub like this one like a salt in our wound. Imagine Imagine if we had act on our feelings like how them act, the cycle of killing would have continue. I know a family member were related to Bogle, I'm not call him name, and him know himself too. Me see him with rifle and time a police. Him know himself, me a talk with me see. You understand? Walk beside Tony Spalding complex with him with rifle. More than one time. Him know himself. Him can't say a lie, me I tell. A family member, carousing, change him life and all of them things. Eh? So imagine if them man they decide say, you know, them although them say boy, whether or not you want to believe it, you know. Me dead and gone, and that was a promise that others made not to do anything. Why? You think say after him kill Bogle, you think say when him come out of New York, what? You think say you don't know say a whole heap of our family live in New York and people him go around him not even know. And that because of me. As she see him and say, make God deal with him. And this boy killed the man. And now the Jamaican government give him an award. And people will uplift and build Jamaica. If you're a better Jamaica, them not get no award. Look on a man like Isaiah Leng, Bobby Reds. And I can go on and on. Who contribute positively to the development of Jamaica. I not talk about myself. I can show you some things. My legacy live on right now in a Jamaica. As a youth to come from concrete jungle, born and grow in a Jonestown. My legacy live on in a Jamaica right now. Me not get no award. Me not look no award. Me never beg no. Me not want nothing from Jamaica. The only thing I want, me just want back the people. Me just want back my country. So you see bicycle them or you see people are riding in Jamaica, police are ride. See where it start from there? Right there. Look on the left side of your screen. You see the two police in a uniform? And we started. And no body, no guy, and no top brass and no guy tell you if you started. It was start by yours truly. Me and the man there, right that's our name Bobby Reds. In time the PMP criminal organization, they fund the police force. At the time Michael Manley was Prime Minister, we now have no vehicle. And the boy them are kill people like nothing. And we take it personally. And I saw the bicycle come out. See the youth there? Beside a man named Cassie, the youth named Carl Nelson, him get a raw deal. Raw deal, a detective there. But him left the force him at the well now. You can't tell him nothing about the police force and them thing there. That man don't want to hear or nothing. And them youth in a hard working police youth. Good youth too. Bad police. Any police where they work with we don't no coward police can around with. A man have to be battle tested and ready. So that's my legacy. Me never get no award for that. See the police about sit up on them bicycle right now in a Jamaica. I'm my brainchild. Me and the man there, the brother with named Bobby Reds, our brainchild. It we use and destroy many gangs in a Huntsville police era. By the time them for realize it's too late, the bicycle squad, and them don't know where I come from. How you think we eradicate bus robberies? But yet, a man who's responsible for the death of our icon is getting a national award. Government. So who's behind this? Who's behind it? Not only that they might disrespect with, but this award suggests that they are willing to honor individual with blood on the man. So we see them do it last week. Them release shameless black people. We see them do it last week when them issue. Them a quit Vibes Cartel for kill Clive Lizard Williams. I'll do it in the video. I kill the man. The man the first man for live stream a murder. And all the video is there. We're not even show it to people because him out there. Vibes Cartel is free. Them can't do him anything. But right now, him free from the laws of Jamaica, but him not free from men who want to kill him. So Jamaica is at a crossroad. Yes, Jamaica is at a crossroads. We must decide whether we want to celebrate and honor individuals with integrity and positive contributions, or if we are willing to overlook criminal activities for the sake of fame and popularity. So that's what I tell you, that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. You see it now. I am the one that for more than a decade I have been telling the people in Jamaica and the diaspora that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. And some people say, me do I talk bad about Jamaica. I don't talk bad, I tell you the truth. Only somebody who love you with all ears tell you the truth. Based on this action, you can't tell me now. So, Jamaica is not the criminal's paradise. A man who kill an icon. We're not talking about no legend. A man not feel physically. There's a thing we call conspiracy. What happened to the case with the people that were charged to kill Bogle? Oh, we don't hear nothing about the case. Oh, we don't hear nothing about the case. Again, the men that were charged, what? Money run. And I didn't know, we not talk about, say, boy, I want to help create murderers. I want to help create killers. I see him system create killers and murderers. Because when a man can't get justice from a system, what you expect? He might go take it out, he might do it himself. You can't treat people like that, man. Oh my God. Where is the little decency? No decency, no left Rasta. Giving a national award to be the man send a dangerous message that criminality can be forgotten and even rewarded. We soon do the same thing. We see a man with upon, appear all of the people them when we see that the people them telling us say educated people them I want to destroy Jamaica. Poor people are good people, and them are destroy poor people. We see a man with upon camera at his coke. For buy coke for sell to black people in America. For destroy black lives. Up to now, him not apologize. And people treat him like him a deity. A brother named Buju Banton. And he might see him one who responsible to for killing other people at Jamaica. Why him soon get a award to. For kill Sebastian. Mash up Terror Fabulous. And now we see being him and now I get an award for killing a Jamaican icon. Bogle. And Bogle never harm him. Bogle never do him anything. All Bogle was there just to enjoy himself. Have fun. And you know your feelings because you're a rear admiral. How? Because what? Because you have to wear your pampers, your big bag, your bingo baggy. And then you like fool them, kill him. And the idiot can use a gun and kill a man, you know. That's why I don't believe in them things. I believe in time you kill somebody, it's supposed to be in the defense of your life. Bogle is a bad man. That's why I'm not going to kill him. And now the government I give you an award. The Jamaica Labour Party government I give you an award for killing the man. Who are these people selecting people for these awards? So I'm to Christopher do this Coke Award. I'm contribute to the destruction of Jamaican people's lives too. We soon get George Bank JP. We soon get Isaac Buchanan JP. So all of the people them in Jamaica will commit crimes. These are people that get all of the accolades in Jamaica. I'm to the little man where I push on cat and him honest and decent. Then the people there why him not contributing to the development of Jamaica. As him not educated and him not a thief. But the people them will kill people, sell drugs. They are lauded, revered. And then you not tell me say, all me I do, I mud up Jamaica name, I every day I talk about Jamaica a criminal's paradise. So yeah, I'm for do. I'm for tell life owner. I'm not gonna tell a life owner. I just say it as it is. I say it already, I say it again. One of the political parties just a little bit better. All of them in the same cabal. One of them is more vicious than the other. This is a dangerous message, man. Yes, I send to the youths. Youths watching, man. Youths watching. And you're giving this man a national. So all right, since they're involved in killing of people to up at Augustown and them have only illegal gun. Give Sister award to. So we give Butch Bantan FEMA award because already what? More or less erase all him coke criminal conviction like we do with Isaac Buchanan. And I send criminals to the United States of America. I give them clean fingerprint records so I expunge it. But second chance. Me want to know which part when somebody kills somebody, the person was dead not getting a second chance, but not get murder a second chance. So the system in Jamaica is designed for criminals, not for law-abiding citizens. Because that's all I have seen. These people have been lobbying for people who commit crimes. And then they say, boy, oh, we are eater. I want to like Jamaica. We don't do this for views. I want to do this to scam people. We do this to change life. So if we are trying to change life, whilst we are trying at this channel, I try to change you their minds in the ghetto where we come from. I tell them, say, oh, man, say to that boy there, a beanie man and the man when you look to, the man that will kill an icon. Bogle. When you could have ball blood. There's a saying, say, if you not go so you go near so. I want to go hear it for yourself this Sunday. When I go hear it for yourself. We're not even a mask the man my voice, because the man say, oh, I'm afraid of them. So when I go hear it, and at this time, man, this is the man who brought comic up from Montego Bay to kill people in a waterhouse. Where him come from, And him him now, I put on a pedestal to give him national award. A man involved in a killing of a Jamaican icon. One of the more destructive artists in a dancehall. So we must decide whether we want to celebrate and honor individual with integrity and positive contribution, or if we are willing to overlook criminal activities for the sake of fame and popularity. So remember, say in Jamaica, and even it was a few days ago I was talking with a man, Remember, right now, we have a man who is a convicted coke dealer who is one step away from becoming a judge, Isaac Buchanan. And when I tell you, say Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, show me which part of crime the pay in Jamaica. If you go to prison 2 times, and know you can go in front of the same judge, and even this judge in a court and nothing I'm to you. Because you can become a judge. You tell me say a criminal's paradise that say I destroy the entire fabric of government and the society, because the whole are involved in a criminality in Jamaica. Man have secret for man. And what kind of system this we have? And then I say, boy, in time them all we are trying to do, I try to mash up Jamaica. I know we are mash up, mash up Jamaica. Or we mash up Jamaica when I do it. Giving a national award to be the man, send a dangerous message, man. One shouldn't even think about to give Beenie Man any award. Remember, say Beenie Man name out there from Bogle dead. It out there in the Star, it out there in the media. On the stage, all of the entertainment entity in Jamaica, them say a Beenie Man are the main person behind the death of Gerald Levy Bogle. And now the government, when the fee say we have amnesia, we not give him award. So what? Muta Baruka no kill nobody. Give Muta Baruka one of the biggest award. Muta Baruka you never hear him kill nobody. Give Muta Baruka a big award. warm, turn tacky, we fight. We make we free as black people. We can't live as black. Boy, why not give Taki him hero? Give Taki the national hero I'm supposed to get. Why you not do that? Why you not give Bob Marley a hero? Turn Bob Marley in a hero. What? I been the man not go turn in a hero next. If you kill Bogle icon, we don't have no shame. We don't want a guy like me, you know. Me not do nothing for a guy like me, you know. And a guy can't say they ever see me I look friend from them. None of them. I'm a big friend. Even though me a police. Enough police the reason why them not like me. And because them say, boy, I go on like me better than people. Me not better than people. But if me feel say you in my class, me not have a reason for converse with you. Me not chat to thief in police and coward police. Period. If me know say you're a thief and me know say you're a carousel, me not talk to you. Me not into that. I have long believed Prime Minister Andrew Holness' government was the least corrupt since Edward Seaga. And I have said on so many occasions. When people are bash and I say, boy, both of them I see him and know him corrupt. This Prime Minister, yes. When people say, oh, Andrew Holness corrupt, I mean I tell them, say, no, I the least corrupt government this since Edward Seaga. People say, boy, you're a Labour, right? So you're free to say you want to say. But me just tell you as me see it fit. Me not make up things because I want the body to like me. And the reason why I say that is because of the scandal them. You know the scandal. The few scandal, the people that are involved in corruption and criminality. People that when I'm party with thief, him kick them out. So that's why I tell people say my least corrupt. I do not become one nobody feel like me. As me say, one is just only a little better than the other. As the years European politics would say, the PMP is a terrorist organization and him give you all of the evidence. But when me say it, me a Labour right, but me glad say him can't say it and him say it, but most of them don't understand. So when we would expect say PMP would have do this, I give Beanie Man an award for killing an icon. As we tell you already, you know, allegation, it's out there in the public sphere and there's nothing to hide. Him could have ball blood at him. And you hear juggies, a youth me know for decades. And him did that night beside Bogle when them before them kill Bogle. Him did the dance where they. A Beanie Man come and go whisper the man there. You know, say you're the man, you know, go for the next side. But you come right beside where the man because you have a problem. And then you know kill the man. I know the Prime Minister Andrew Holness administration is insulting law-abiding ghetto people. We're not talking about, we know so the real criminal them are the people them with the degree them. And we're telling you that already. And last week we prove it correct. With Marva, McDonald, Bishop, the old corrosion and paperback judge. Corrosion them. So we say, yeah, thanks for giving this non-violence producer a national award. We accept that you are the least corrupt Prime Minister, but on God's earth, we see so many insults to law-abiding citizens happen. We want to give Isaac Buchanan, a convicted coke dealer. We know say Horace Chang. Yeah, man. And we have said that without any apology. We know say Horace Chang is a criminal-minded person. The National Security Minister. We not ask. Because we see one of them who out there a lobby for criminal expungement record. We know say Delroy Chuck, him never say a murder why him never love. But what you saying over here saying for men baby, you know. Because we just always tell the truth. I just saw it go. This is a sad day, man. A sad day. So this decision, Mr. Holness, as we say, you know, your government is least corrupt since Edward Seaga. And we say it and we say it, we don't know apology because it's there in an international arena that this government is least corrupt since Edward Seaga. So however, this decision has made me question my faith in our leaders. How can a government which I once believed to be incorruptible, consider honoring a man responsible for such heinous crimes. Let me repeat myself. How can a government, Mr. Holness, which I once believed to be incorruptible, consider honoring a man responsible for such heinous crimes? For the killing of Gerald Bogle Levy, a national icon and treasure of Jamaica from Miss Lou days, from Ringding. Who know Ringding where used to come on Saturday evening with Miss Lou? Pit them sit down on the ground and dance and all of them things. Ringding, that's where Junior Tucker and all them people came from. Tell me now, explain that to me. Oh, a government that I once did think incorruptible, honoring a man responsible for such heinous crimes. It's a betrayal of the Jamaican people's trust in our leaders. As I said before, and I'll say it again, I just said one is just, at least one is just a little better than the other. Yes. One is just a little bit better than the other. So a national award, yeah man, for the big Timan, who was the mastermind in the killing of my cousin, Gerald Bogle Levy. And this is Jamaica 2024. So I urge you to reconsider the decision to award Beanie Man, Mr. Prime Minister Andrew Holness. I never beg you nothing yet, you know. You don't know me, and me don't know you. I never seen a person yet. Because I was the kind of police officer, I never run behind a politician. I never look nothing or beg nothing from nobody. Because I know that anytime people you go to politician, you're going to owe them things. And I've never been beholden to anyone. So let us not reward violence and criminality. Rescind this. Being a man name not supposed to depend on name for no honor or anything like that. Bounty killer more deserving it. Him have him faults and all of them things there. But at least bounty killer save lives. You never hear of bounty killer contribute to the death of one Jamaican. Remember, I know a bounty killer from him ride bicycle, I got jam him and elephant man and nitty coach and mum down night. So that's why in time bounty killer brother Barley did want it for murder. And them will on bounty killer me I tell him say I know him. Because I know both of them, the difference between both men. I cannot in good conscience tell you. That's why I put my reputation on the line and write a letter to the White House say, them give back him visa. Yes, we have lobbied and said to the Jamaican government if we give bounty killer award and Isaiah Leg and Bobby Red. We're glad to bounty killer get one kind of work. Him do things, him not perfect. I wouldn't expect Jamaica, we don't expect people to be perfect. So instead, let us honor those who have genuinely contributed to the betterment of our society. Those who have upheld justice and those who have sacrificed for the greater good. Jamaica deserves better. Our future generation deserve better. Let's stand together for a just and honorable Jamaica. It's just a sad day for Jamaica. See, this man, yeah man, the Rear Admiral, same deny playing any role in the killing of Bogle. And stranger from Waterhouse and others were involved. Yeah man, yellow player. Every time you look on Bogle, you see Leo. We are talking about family. Yeah. Every time you look on Bogle, you see Leo. Yeah man, Leo, I wonder that was dear for me. Right, sure. We can't forget where I come from. Or if we do that, we can't show stone behind me. So Bogle was killed by a rear admiral because his feeling was hurt and was publicly humiliated. Remember, I say, him, you know. And you listen, if you listen to the man, you know, him coming out dance, you know, and go wish by the man there. Up, I saw him stay, you know, walk and pick trouble that boy here. I'm not calling him the man. We tell you already, say sometimes I system turn people in a criminal. Why people resort to violence. And don't forgive him award. A man everybody in Jamaica and in the diaspora knows say him behind the killing of man. So now, what kind of message that you now send to the youth them? What kind of message that you now send? So why? That's why Popcorn out there and Popcorn I behave them way there. Popcorn no sister, a man were involved in the killing of icon. You don't want to figure out, give him an award, national award. But people who contribute positively to Jamaica now, as we tell you, the man in a red shirt, the man that contributes a lot to Jamaica. And yours truly, and Carl Nelson. You see the bicycle, I mean, you see them two police van, our brainchild that. Because when the PMP defund the police force, and when on a vehicle, no vehicle, and we couldn't take the murder, we decided to say, no, we have to take things matter in our own hands. And the bicycle was so successful in reducing crime in a St. Andrew South. Because we ride bicycle, you know. Yeah, them time the detective I said, oh no, come on work and you sweat upon yourself. But guess what? All of them detectives were in a talk them time. All of them have diabetes and we're still here. We don't have it. Because we not get exercise. At the time we get health benefits. Imagine riding in a 85-degree Fahrenheit place, you know, Kingston hot. And guess what? In time we're thirsty. I see him, yeah man, we still sang up, you know, and you know, buy a bottle drinks or we drink water out a pipe. You know what I mean? So it go. So, you know, see, so this is a local youth born and raised in a Jonestown. We never follow nobody. A 51 Maya Street, Bogle born. We talk about Maya Street all the while. I can't deny where I come from. I don't have control over which part I did born. Born on Oxkit Street, Jonestown. Live at Jonestown and Concrete Jungle. You have some family member me and them that talk because they want me to lie. I want me to pretend like some things don't happen. You understand? I try to play upon with emotion because true we're related and all of them things. Yeah. Yeah man, remember to like the video. Yeah man, like the video and share the video. If we can't see ourselves in another person, we are not human beings but soulless zombies. One God's earth, you claim say you love Bogle. But because Bogle hurt your feelings, after you going at the dance, being the man, and go beside the man, you could have, if you know you want and nothing in the man, you know, go for the next side. Willie Agat and Radigan from Sunlight Street, the whole of them in a for them war, and I don't know war like physical war where them man are kill man. Man say them have more money than next man. And one side over here, so the next side over there. So all them do is show up them face and who dance and who bleach and who this and that. But you deliberately go inside of the dance and where they and go beside the man. After a man inside before you, and you hear druggist, a man who was there the night, and it's on the channel. We don't see where we come from. We are always proud of where we come from. We can't change the past. The past, that's a part of we embrace where we come from. Yes. Some people have asked, boy, you forgot where you come from. No, we don't forget. We used to be there in a cistern pipe. Only people not get to know that. Bathroom, you're lucky if you get to be in a bathroom because you live in a tenement here, the amount of people. And then the bathroom are run 24/7. May I tell you? Yes. You understand? So we see Jamaica, yeah man, Jamaica is giving a big man and a murderer national award for killing Gerald Bogle, a national treasure and icon. Vybz Kartel, yeah man, last week, Vybz Kartel walk out of prison for kill Clive Lizard Williams. This week, being a man, I get a national award for kill a national icon and a national treasure. So when we kill off all our icon them and the people them who are national treasure, who else? A man who was born at 51 Maya Street, Johnson, Kingston 12, was killed, and the mastermind is getting a national award. And tell me, Jamaican is a criminal paradise. You want to tell me that it's not? Then you talk about say all me I do I muddy up Jamaican name in the international arena. When all me I do I talk the truth. When me I tell the other people them in the other island to stay far from you. When I say me no like Jamaican, I don't like me. I love Jamaican. That's why I tell the other people them in the other island them to stay far from you. Because we no good people. What kind of government this? Oh, you give a man award for killer killer icon. Me just say one is just a little bit better than the other, you know. You understand? Oh, on God's earth, this a man a name upon list for your award. For kill the man. For kill the man. Explain that to me. Then you go say, we no like Jamaica. And then some dummy go say, boy, we are labor right. If we not labor right, we not look out on the labor right government. And them a give me any money award, you know. If I'm PMP, I do it. We won't have no problem because we know say them not no shame. Remember say a PMP community born and raised, you know. Burry boy and Feather Michael Manley put them on pedestal. Make people revere and celebrate them. I want to be like them because they want to be close to the Prime Minister of Jamaica. And we tell you, say Michael Manley, the worst thing happened to Jamaica. And you say we are liberal because we are telling you the truth. Just like how we are telling you right now. This government are enemy of decent law-abiding citizens. While the police them at work, it's the same thing we say, you know. While the police, you look at young police them that they are work, and I try to restore Jamaica and I tear it down. All the carousel judge them, a paperback judge them. You know no shame. Why? You think what? You think Martha Bishop, you think says she got a bed, she sleep, see me, because them not no conscience. I carousel them and corobunkers. When I give the man an award, a national award for kill the man. What kind of precedent that are you setting? You're just insulting law-abiding citizens. It's happening that you're watching, you know? So you can't go say, oh, I PMP them do it, you know. Are you the Prime Minister, your administration? So tell me about no Clyde Mackenzie. I give him an award because both him contribute to music. To hell with the man music. I music I destroy the people of Jamaica. I music destroy them. Right now we have two rear admiral in our music of Jamaica. One big foot one, big fat. The one that gonna skin out a BET award. And we do a video about it and it up on the channel months. But we thank, we give thanks to the YouTuber. Yeah man. The little YouTuber will mention and tell you about it. But when you understand, we're not a problem of who telling the truth. Because the truth are the truth and we love the truth. And we have to give credence to people who embrace the truth. And these are the people who put on pedestal. People who have no character, no credibility, no integrity. And them not no reputation of carousing them. And them all put on pedestal. What kind of message do I send to you youth them? Whole I wanna destroy the liquor left of Jamaica. While it's a poor little police officer and we are encouraging people them to be informer. We are encouraging people them of Jamaica to be informer. When I people them when I commit the crime on a big up. Oh, that makes sense now. We are tell people to be informer. We all both say we are biggest informer. We all produce evidence for sure say we are informer. Are you to born and grow in a belly of beast? And we show you the white man where we tell things about criminal police. And a 7 police detective have run from Jamaica to save them life because I see him white man. Because him come to Jamaica and realize that boy, Jamaica is criminal paradise. And him come and him just join the cabal. All the all of Portland pan drugs man boat. I not even know. Cause through him licky. If a man in a thief, you know, no matter what you put him in, him still a thief, see him here. And then when I talk, say, what kind of future? What kind of future? What kind of future want to build for Jamaica? When we are telling you, them say, boy, don't choose a life there. I wanna reward them and I say, oh, this we want to be, you know. We want to commit crime and kill people, and then we go on a award. Yes. I want to talk about say, a leader. A misleader, man. I destroy the people, them. And we're not going to stop saying Jamaica a criminal's paradise until we see change. We not stop saying it. And we not start all the time we want to kill you, we know say it now go away. Jamaica a criminal paradise in the Caribbean Sea. Yeah, man. See poster child them there. So why not give Christopher do the squawk theme award? What? He will contribute a lot. You know much doctor. You know much doctor and lawyer where him create out at Tivoli Gardens when he was there. You have a triplet right now in America and them tell we, so them give thanks because I do this, encourage them for study, read. And them live in America now. Them write all them book. So give him contribute positively to Jamaica, to the upliftment of Jamaican people too. I will not say him kill all the people because him the judge charge a triple murder. Not because being the man never charge to kill Bogle. We know so the inspector when he Poddy, a Poddy called Omar Davis and tell him say them are kill Beanie Man the same night because people in a give statement and the people them other things about them a give police statement because them witness the killing of Bogle and them lock up people want to the case. Want to the witnesses. Want to Bogle murder case. We don't hear nothing about it again. Cause money run. And then I wonder why the murder rate so high. Because I want to turn good people in a criminal. You guys turn good people in a criminal. And this boy now, you don't call him the man. He man is a rasta. A carousing. A carabunkers. We not diminish no one life. Some life not no value. Some life not no value. We know so being him on a big man. Cause we go in a house at Jamaica Street with him and Patrick Roberts and they stink like Dede. When we said the same thing about Vibes Cartel, say when them kill lizard, they don't kill lizard over on a gun that a smoke screen. Everybody say we make up things. Then in time them hear now say what? Him a big rear admiral, them I say wait. Can't believe say everything where police in say are true. Then now we have a police, some two police. One for know say ask if our brother were used to that special branch give a file and them thing there. We not even talk to him. We don't even know him what wrong. We know last thing we know say my detective sergeant. So we're not gonna talk about him. Him and we relationship is totally different. Every time I look on this brother here, man, the epitome of evil. Never see him from Bogle dead. Never see him. Never met, you know. Yeah, used to go to Jamrock, see him. And every time I ask him for my money, him laugh and I go like me and him a friend. And me and him and a friend. I don't like people who kill people. He never pay me back my money. Although I talk about it, the other thing say you lend a man money and him give it back freely. That boy don't give me back my money. One time, Bounty Killer tell me say, I saw that brother that stay, man. Just, forgot it put and make him go on. Me give you back the money. I said, no, I don't want you give me back the money because him me lend my money and him for give me back my money. And him say, that's true, because he's a principal man. You feel be the head of a country. and a year administration, I'm gonna kill an icon. Yeah, make him get an award. You're not better than you're not better than the PMP brethren. One time we I tell people when we know for a fact say PMP not no shame. You not no shame either, cause I know you watch them like Vibes Cartel. We know say the judge them, we know say three judge them, three of them were PMP appointees. And we know say now PMP, you don't get nothing from the PMP without you giving something. Just like how we know say Angela Brownberg, how she become a member of parliament, she got that job because her father is a murderer, a known murderer, Tony Brown, most wanted man. He was one of Jamaica's most wanted men back in the 80s. So in a PMP, we expect the PMP, them we know say them not ashamed. But my God, man, for you come to that now, that's spit in our face. I piss upon the people, them and I tell them say a rain. And everybody fool Mr. Wholeness. We're not idiot, man. We not say, all right. Give Little John contribute more. Little John from Mackay Lane more deserving of a national award than him. Because you never hear Little John I do no song for not kill nobody. You never hear Little John if I'm not killing nobody. And a Mackay Lane Little John come from. And when Little John back in the 90s, when they try for peace between the theme community, Myrie Lane, Mackay Lane and Payne Avenue, and when him couldn't just leave them. Well, give Little John an award. Them the man forget one. The man never kill nobody yet. Or involved in killing nobody. And this man, you know, a man I'm killing national treasure icon. Oh my God. Uno no shame, Rasta. Uno have no shame because he give this man an award. Remember say we in the 21st century now. Nothing hide again, you know. Last week, we let out a man to kill Clive Lizard Williams. Yeah, man. Three corrupt paperback judge. Yeah, man, and Vibes Cartel that. Then him come out and say one done. And the man him say, boy, I big him a big up. Black man. Theme thing that. And now, less than a week after, the Timan, Beanie Man, who involved in the killing of Bogle, him now Yagi award. Because the people get desensitized and people are celebrate. Say, I get award. What you mean? And when we tell the people them in the other Caribbean island, them say, stay far from Jamaican people because they are criminal-minded people. When they say, boy, we are pies in the mind of other people against our own people. We're not pie, we are telling them the truth. Tell me, say I lie, me I tell. Oh, a man kill a national treasure. And then you give him an award. A man have to convict in a court. A man have to convict for a crime. Him know his role in it. The people them are charged to kill Bogle. What happened to the case? What happened to the case? We don't hear nothing. Everything just disappear out of the press. You have to understand, you know. That's why them tell us Jamaica is a PMP island. Remember say Prime Minister, you know, Andrew Michael owned this, you know. Was no original labourite, you know. Andrew Michael was always a Michael Manley Heights. That's why I'm give people house and all of them things there. Socialism. Go on people now in a good house and just build one give them. That's what Michael did stay. Why you will believe say you work if you have 5 pitney live in a car, a year business we take the pitney them from you and you stay in a car. Oh, if you have 5 pitney and you know no place where to put them. And then we for taxpayers' money, we know that. That's a thing of dependency I create. I'm gonna like somebody to make sense to me. Who sanctioned this? You can't tell me say buck stop with you, Mr. Prime Minister. Are you the buck stop with for this man to get a national award? Timan, national award for kill Gerald Bogle Levy. The man mother die. Sad, because Bogle was everything to her. You can't let run Bogle and upset. He may kill you with joke. Those who know Bogle, I tell you, Gerald will kill you with joke. I just him that. Him say something sometimes you have to wonder where him get them from. And when I give a man an award for kill him, Bogle never do him anything. Bogle never harm him. Bogle never put a finger on him. How much gunshot them give Bogle? Because him feeling hurt. And then after that, Danai Williams, King Jammies, police and cowboy, all of them decide say, oh, you have to make way. We kill the stranger. And him no want to give Tristan Palmer boy, because him there with Tristan Palmer mother. The boy was behind it. And yeah, so stranger now have Carousel from Waterhouse. So send Anthony Roberts to call him, and then just a few steps from Olympic Garden police station, send him to the departure lounge. And then the man said, boy, the boy will kill your cousin, him dead, you know. No, the boy will kill your cousin, see him there upon the top, being him, man. There's a thing we call conspiracy. Once it is done by more than one person. Conspiracy, one person alone can commit conspiracy. It has to be two or more persons. One person that commits conspiracy and commit a crime. If it be conspiracy, it has to be more than two. And that's how him do. I know we are give him an award. That boy, they give an award. I was never a friend, never friends with him, never have, and never will. Period. The only thing we have in common is just this old corals who owe my money from 1994, old Dirty Bogle. Yeah, the man a friend. Never have and never will. Only thing me just not stoop low like them. If me I would believe, you know, the people them in my community believe in dealing in justice. Justice should have serve. One of justice now exists in Jamaica. Justice only for people who have money. And people are involved in them and rear admiral and Timan business. And with them the people that get justice in Jamaica. People involved in them Timan business. If you're not involved in it, you can't get no justice. And when you commit murder, you're good to go. You see picture them with Vibes Cartel. You know the people them rear. Them so disgusting. When we did hear about them before me even see them. And when me said people never, you say things to get view. And when me see picture them and the tattoo and all of them, I tell you say, man, bath. And them the people that Jamaica is designed for. People who destroy people life, the real admiral them, Tim and them, like the Beanie Man them and the Vibes Cartel. The people them were a big real admiral, them go both ways. And them the system designed for. He might get a award. All because he's a part of the cabal. Yeah. Because I remember saying him can't have no relationship with no woman for a long time, you know. I just saw it go. Because him, by nature, him can't stay with no woman for long. Because him have to go back to him roots. And we hear from all people where they on tour with him and Lady Saw and all of them something there. Or the hotel stink with him and Patrick Roberts. Stink. But we see it for we see it and experience it. Oh, this brother a dirty man. So we know say because my man, the man a big party man. That's why him a get award for killer icon. So two batty man, one a top and this thumbnail all up on one a top and one a bottom. A them Jamaica society, Lord revere and celebrate. And a them icon in a Jamaica. And the man in the middle where them kill, whenever do him nothing. All because the man have make him gimmicks. Typical Jamaican. So we stay. We all here sign something for entertain ourselves. create some form of satire. One. Nobody not supposed to laugh off of you. Tim and Beanie, man. And them people are turn people, good people in a bad people. When you talk about rubbing salt in our wound, and this is it. When I talk about, boy, people forgive people. Me can't forgive nobody who kill nobody for me. Forgive what? After me and Jesus, me tell a man that all the time. If a man try to kill me, me nah forgive you. And you kill nobody for me, me nah forgive you. Me and Jesus. Me nah forgive no man to kill nobody for me. Forgive what? But you know you have licky people in our family. Yeah, man. Licky people. Yeah, man, them licky. Boy, make it go on, Chris, because it done up now already. Yeah, man, because I don't know you. I know you dead. And because you can get little lickings. This could be a licky. And so you can get things from them. Me don't want nothing from them. Me don't want a friend from them. I don't have nothing about you. They're no better. When you expect say PMP would do this. But for sure you say them not have nothing but them not respect you. They not respect the people. While we are telling people them we are promote the self. We are telling say we are the biggest informer. We are show you evidence. For sure you say we as some people that say bad police. We don't say we are bad police, we are crime fighter. We are not a bad police. We are crime fighter. And someone I say, boy, I can't believe say you're a crime fighter and an informer. Because we don't like thief in police. We don't believe in a police to rob nobody and then murder them. We don't believe in that. We don't have no problem for sending criminal to the departure alone. But you know, for rob people. So that's why we are we don't like thief in police. And man, I say, boy, I can't believe. So I will show you evidence to show you. Say, yes, we are informer because we are encourage people to become informer. I know this. Another slap in the face. Last week, them let out Vibes Cartel. Yeah, big fanfare. This, that, and all kind of thing. Then man with our new East Orange and New Jersey say, oh, you can't play the night music. And then the day now when you say independence. This them though. This them though. I want to tell me say uno help contribute to the murder rate. Uno turn good people in a criminal. In a killer. Uno turn good people in a bad people. Same system. That is there to protect the law-abiding citizens. Look how much good people you have at Jamaica. We're even in a music business. We don't do the things that this brother here do. But yet, because through this man I know, him, a batty man. What you mean? Through a batty man. Through the man is a big rear admiral. Because we know it's a rear admiral and a shame, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. Because I used to work with one of them, you know. Me I tell you, me say a woman named Brock Up Carol. This Kirk Palmer is wicked this way. And knowing Kirk Palmer, the man don't take this and nobody. And him just take this. And for 6 months, the man come and work in our office. And nobody in our office not talk to him. And that never bother him. So I know say from them time, you can't shame, but you can't shame them kind of people. You can't shame him, Admiral. And him come back to the fore. Because I hear it's truly and logics and all of them things that rain. But this is a slap on their face, man. This one has gone too far now. And them a do it. And the day after independence, or the day when them celebrate their independence. I not even celebrate them about happy independence. Because Jamaica never independent yet. The only time we kind of experience any form of independence was in the 80s. Them time we not get back our country. The Jamaica the right pan the abyss to go over. I'm telling you, you know. So I do a video and show you why 80 reach where it reached. Jamaica not far away from it. I want to go into understand how it all started. I'm telling you all the while. I say one eye party is just a little bit better than the other. So if we say something is a little bit better, that means there's no, I don't say, we never say better, you know, we just say a little bit better. Although we say it was the least corrupt, we can't say that again. Because this a corruption 101. It's the biggest corruption. And the world I say. The world sit last week and Jamaica, and then I say, oh boy, I pay bad things to say about Jamaica. Tell me what I'm say. What you want me to say? You want me to tell a lie? I'm not going to tell a lie for none of you. We have no friends in the high places. I want to come to make friends. We just come to talk truth, rights, and justice. That's all. So where this where this is going. Because based on what we see now, it's like pretty much we're numb. And we can't believe. If the PMP criminal organization in a government do it, wouldn't have no problem. Because we know say them not ashamed. This is their modus operandi. But for you, go do it. No man. Al Miller never kill nobody. Al Miller was nominated for it. And I say, boy, them have to withdraw it because them say, oh! And Al Miller say, him a try to protect the man life because him a pastor, him a clergy. And the clergy have certain rights under the constitution. And them convict him a court. And them take away the national award. Them say, oh, you know forgive him. But guess what? Al Miller is a rear admiral. Al Miller is a rear admiral, you know. Because him lick out upon them. But you notice the silence from civil society, you know, you're not a word. Because this rear admiral, brother, this Timon, being the man, yeah, man, my big rear admiral. I'm have secret for enough of people them up there, you know, like the Philip Palwells, the Peter Bunting, them and all of these people, and the what him name? May I look upon him right now, the brother we in charge of shocking voice. Patrick Roberts. Yeah, man, the same one where in a house with being him on a Jamaica street. All the man of them can't say them know me. I'm gonna run behind people. Me no run behind people. Me don't know, I'm just glad I stay and I thank my parents all the way them raised me. Some people don't want to be friends with people because they want to beg. I want money, lickings and beggy. We ain't at that. So that's why they never like we. Because they say we show off and go like we better. And show off. We know so we're better than them. We did know so we're better than them. So no guy have to tell with that. We vex. We vex. If we are going to restore back Jamaica and get it back and reclaim back Jamaica from the criminal, as this Prime Minister said, this is not the way, brethren. Yeah, this is not the way. This is not the way, Prime Minister. Wellness. This is not the way. You cannot tear down something. You cannot tear down the thing, man. Oh my God. Do something better. Rescind back this, man. This a man I don't figure nowhere. Anytime the man are in a government agency, I must business them do. But they don't forget nothing. The man and name not supposed to inscribe on anything for do with Jamaica. Unless I passport with them name in it. And them man are destructive and angels of death merchant being a man. You know how much people this a boy met dead in a Waterhouse. We have all people from Waterhouse where him got to for them kill Caperton. Him, same one being a man. And the man them say no. We all talk with all the man them too. A chaperone forget people for kill Caperton because him hurt him feeling. This same brother here. We not tell lie upon people. What we are gain from it? This is not satire. This is not a joke. This is a real life. And if we want a better Jamaica, we have to fight for it. As we say, one is just a little bit better than the other. We can't ball for no different prime minister because the white man, him a Jamaican. And him a carousing and corrupt bunkers and him a pathological liar. And we know say the PMP is a criminal organization. But my God, man, it's a wholeness. Where's the decency, man? I don't know how this thing operates. how them go about this selection. But this a man and him not supposed to be on a list. We know one brother we know say Jamaica is criminals paradise, but we are trying to change it. We are trying to change it. We want Jamaica to become the paradise, not the criminals paradise. You can't allow these people to destroy the little fabric what we have left at Jamaica. The little. We are trying to build it. While we are trying to build it, you have a next set of people and next set that beat it down. We see police them at work. And while the police them at work, the people them in the system are tear down the little things we left. We are promote informing. Why do not promote the murder of them? I'm inform afraid. And then you know so want Mac Jamaica. How not go reclaim Mac Jamaica? When you not hand over Jamaica to the murder of them. Explain that to me. Make it make sense to me. Me vex. Have yourself a beautiful day. In Jamaica young police out. Do you know, man? Can't tell you, man. You will not. You're not going to escape the wrath of God enough for you do to Gerald. You. And as long as we live, man, we know so we are going to live to see. We know so we are going to live to see the end of you. Because you're a wicked boy. Kill the man because the man I make joke. Big old rear admiral. You can't tell. We are the first person we tell bounty killer them say you're big rear admiral. Because we tell him what happened in the morning. Them time they never did bus yet. In a 93 January. At Jamaica Street. The same man when Christopher Brown from Payne Avenue. Rear admiral of people and have no empathy, compassion, sympathy, or decency, or humanity in them. You don't have that. But if you say you're going to escape the wrath of God, man, because your judgment coming. Bogle dead. And the world still remember him. But your justice are coming. We don't expect it to come from man. Because we say man are a warrior. But we expect that God are going to serve you justice. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.